Hey guys, it's Abby within the garage, and today we're taking a look at the Growler Hitch step from N-FAB. This is a versatile piece. It's a great add-on for any truck, SUV, or Jeep. It works with any vehicle with a 2-inch receiver or larger, and it's load tested up to 465 pounds. The Growler Hitch step makes accessing your truck bed or roof rack so much easier, plus its grip platform makes for a reliable step up and down in all weather conditions. Unlike some hitch steps, this one from N-FAB also has a wide platform of 19 by 7 inches, so you can step up with both feet with ease. The Growler Hitch step also has an anti-rattle clip, which is designed for a secure and quiet mounting. The installation of the Growler Hitch step is super straightforward, so we rate this a 1 out of 10, and it'll take you about 15 to 30 minutes, and that even includes taking it out of the box. Just as a reminder, this works with any vehicles with a 2-inch receiver or larger. The Growler Hitch step from N-FAB has a lifetime warranty and a 5-year finish warranty. Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the Growler Hitch step from N-FAB. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out that description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator, where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you liked the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.